Alright folks, here we are, Hurricane Ian. It's pretty much high tide in St. Augustine, so we're going to take off, go down the road, ride around a little bit, see what this is looking like. Ian is out over the Atlantic Ocean at the moment, a little bit south of us. With this high tide, I wanted to see what town's going to look like, so y'all hang out, let's ride a while and see what's going on. Yeah, it's worse than it was when I went earlier. Of course, there's been 2 hours more rain since I went earlier. And it's non-stop rain. Up here earlier, these lights are ridiculous. They've got them, I guess they got them set on kind of like evacuation.
Yeah.
You set a long time in some of these lights, and some of them on US 1 don't even change.
Yeah.
Whoa, not going that way. Not going that way.
Roll down my window.
Well, that is totally flooded. Going around a red light.
Yeah.
I wasn't gonna go around the red light. They wasn't going in that. That's too deep there.
Down there.
That street's flooded. That street's flooded. Get off of US 1, you can't turn. That one's 2 feet deep. That one's flooded all the way across. Get off of US 1, you can't turn. That one's 2 feet deep. That one's flooded all the way across. What happens when you try and drive through a flooded street? You get stuck. Well, there's the first side street that's not flooded. Hasn't been flooded. Everything else has been ain't flooded. That one wasn't flooded? Well, it's flooded. We ain't going that way.
I get a picture for you.
But we gonna get a picture anyway. Well, guys, there's Ponce Boulevard in St. Augustine. And that's pretty nasty. And I don't know where, if this guy wants to go around me, go, buddy, because I ain't going.
Yeah, you up to the door, Papa.
He's backing out. So yeah, guys, we do have some flooding. Like I said, I thought about going to town. We ain't gonna make it that far.
Nope. Oh, I see you had Pepper in here.
Yeah, he was in here. He rode with me last trip when I came into town a few hours ago.
Oh.
I brought him and he rode with me.
He's a good riding dog.
Yeah, he is. He rides good. Well, if I get across here, I know I can come back out up there. If I can't go over toward the beach. But getting out to the beach wasn't a problem earlier.
That's what it looked like on my side.
Yeah, I'd say streets are flooded. Get out there, but that's because where the National Guard Armory is. That road's high. And then up there at the red light to the right, we can get out there too. I just don't know if we can get out to the beach. People are coming up from the beach, so we're going to give it a shot. No, we ain't going to make it. I've already looked down through there. We ain't going to make that one either. We're going to have to go back up National Guard Armory to get out. Let's go down here and turn around somebody's driveway. We ain't going to get far because that's all flooded. Got a car coming through. I wonder how deep it is. It don't look very deep. I can see the yellow line all the way up through there almost. Watch this car come through. See what it looks like. Watch this truck come through. But this truck ain't jacked up at all. I'm not even going to take the chance. I might sit here and watch these other ones go through it.
Yeah, they're higher up too.
They might be waiting on me to go so they can turn around.
Or not.
Those are jacked up. Those are higher trucks than this one. Flooded out. That back there next to the cross is all flooded out. It goes all the way around, comes out the other side of the building. It's all flooded. All the way around from the cross out here over the road. I brought my truck because it's jacked up more, but with tinted windows, I couldn't take video out the side window.
Yeah.
And I can't go any further than right there. And I don't know if I can go up Orange Street. Although these trucks came down at that other end up there, it gets real low. And it's flooded. Streets will be flooded from here all the way to the other side of downtown.
Yeah.
And I ain't going that way. I ain't gonna mess with it. We'll turn around here and go back up to get out. At least the water in this road ain't too deep.
Not as deep as the other one.
It should be at high tide now, so that's gonna be nasty downtown.
I can't believe people are out here walking in it.
Now, downtown's gonna be probably 2 to 3 feet underwater.
Yeah.
Get on your own side of the road. I know for hurricane conditions this isn't real bad. It's not a hurricane right now, it's a tropical storm.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good idea.
I'll turn around down in here so you can get the pictures on this side too. Oh yeah, the birds are low. That herring.
And frogs too.
Heron, great heron. Some of the birds and the frogs are low now. Well, they're not going to let us on the beach. They're going to make us go around. They're not going to let us on the beach. They got the streets shut down. There's other ways to get to the beach. You can stop and you can walk over and take pictures of the beach.
How do you get down this mess?
That's kind of the response I was expecting. I'm hoping to go up here and turn around the back and go all the way down to 206. Might not go any further. Go down to 206 and be able to see some of the ocean maybe. Well, I don't know, that's pretty built up down there with houses. Wow, look how high the water is on the beach. And it's been higher. St. Augustine Beach. Flooded all the way to the intercoastal. further that way.
Yeah, I don't think you would. It is flooded.
I mean, it's not too bad right here. But you look at that mailbox up there. Watch that car go through there. Let's see how deep it is. Storm alert, storm tracker, and he turned around.
Yeah, the other car is not making it.
The white car or the
He's
Jeep?
turning around, the white car.
That's probably a good thing. I'm not going up in there. Not gonna do it. Welcome to St. Augustine Beach. Well, we made it back to the house. Not quite as bad as I expected. However, it has been, it's no longer a hurricane, it's a tropical storm. And it is still south of us, but it's just going out over water again, and in all probability, it will gain in intensity. How much, I don't know. But once that hurricane hits that warm water, it's liable to intensify. Downtown was pretty bad. A lot of it's flooded. There are spots in downtown that are close to 3 feet deep in water. St. Augustine Beach is pretty nasty. Obviously, you've seen we couldn't go down A1A, but just so far. And I wasn't going through all that water. I'm not taking my wife's truck through that water. So, we got what we could, but this gives you a little insight as to what's going on here in St. Augustine. So, I hope y'all enjoy watching, or, at least I hope the video satisfies some curiosities as to what's going on. So, y'all take care. Wherever you're at, stay safe. And if this hurricane ever gets out of here and the water calms down, the rain quits and the wind quits, and water stabilizes out and barometric pressures get stabilized out, and maybe I'll get back to the water. We'll see you again from the water. So y'all take care, stay safe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.